friends, all animal and very beautiful animal. Wow, friends, most beautiful animal. Amazing. Friends, all animal. Wow. Friends, all animal. So let's put them all in our basket. This is a basket, very beautiful basket. Wow, friends, these are all full of mud, but we will wash them. Wow, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends, very amazing animal. Wow, wow, friends, very beautiful. Wow! Hey, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Full mud animal. Oh, wow. Wow, friends. Very beautiful animal. Wow. Hey. Wow, friends. So all friends come quickly. All animal. Very beautiful animal. Wow, friends. Wow, friends, very clean water. Wow. Oh, wow, friends. What is this? Wow, this is a giraffe, very beautiful animal. Wow. Wow, friends. What is this, friends? Wow, this is a lion, very big dangerous animal. Wow. Hey, hey. Wow, guys, very clean. This is a camel. Very beautiful animal. Wow. Wow, friends, what is this? Wow, this is a cow. Very beautiful animal. This is a domestic animal. Wow, friends. Hey, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a hippopotamus. Very big, beautiful. Animal. Wow. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, this is a leopard. Very beautiful animal. Very dangerous animal. Ho! Wow, guys! Wow, this is a hippopotamus. This is a rhinoceros. Very beautiful animal. Wow! Hey, hey, guys! What is this, guys? Wow! Very clean. This is a helicopter. Very beautiful toy. Guys, wow, hey, guys, wow, guys, very beautiful animal. This is a horse, very beautiful. Wow. friends, what is this, friends? I think, wow, this is a tiger. Very dangerous animal, very beautiful animal. Wow, friends. Hey, wow, this is a bear, very beautiful animal. Very amazing. Wow, friends, what is this, friends? Wow, this is a antelope, very beautiful animal, very amazing. Hey, guys, what is this, guys? Wow, this is a zebra, very beautiful animal, very cute. Wow. Wow, friends, this is a sheep. This is a domestic animal. Very beautiful animal. Ho ho! Wow, guys! Wow, guys, very beautiful. This is a dangerous animal. This is a tiger. Very dangerous animal, friends. All animal very clean, very beautiful animal. Friends, today we seem to have got some good animal.